Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the basics work. Put the Charge 6 on, unlock the phone, and open the Fitbit app. Once done, grant notifications and location permissions so navigation can appear on the watch. Make sure Google Maps is installed and signed into on your phone. Pairing must be active. If Bluetooth drops, repair now. This is the only way to receive turn-by-turn prompts on the Charge 6, so don't skip permission prompts or battery checks. With permissions in place, set a destination in Google Maps on your phone and tap Start. Once navigation starts, Google Maps pushes notifications. The Fitbit app mirrors those to your Charge 6. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and notification mirroring for maps is enabled in Fitbit settings. You'll see turn prompts, distance, and ETA on the watch. Glance rather than stare. If the watch doesn't show directions, force close and reopen Fitbit. Then to finish, stop navigation on your phone. The Charge 6 will clear the prompts. If prompts never arrive, restart both devices and repair Bluetooth. This solves most sync issues. Once restarted, confirm Fitbit notifications, then start a short test route in Google Maps. If location seems off, toggle phone GPS and ensure the Fitbit app has background location access. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enable notification access for Fitbit in your phone system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.